Welcome to MarineMax here in Fort Myers. Today we're going to walk through this 2020 270 Dauntless from Boston Whaler. This boat has twin 225 Mercury Verados, all white engine package, and it has the desert tan gel coat. Really sharp looking boat. The colors complement each other very well. So we stepped up in the boat now, and the 27 Dauntless is just really versatile. It's a great fishing boat. Floats shallow enough where you can fish the mangroves inshore, but definitely stable and big enough where you can go offshore if you need it, especially with the twin engines. At the same time, the boat can easily be converted into a family-friendly boat. You got great seating. This back aft seat here is huge, really comfortable. 3 people can easily fit. Live well with a cooler, and this is a freshwater washdown. Plenty of room for electronics. You can customize it with Garmin, Simrad, Raymarine, whatever you like. Comfortable seats. These flip up, so now you have a lounge in the front on both sides. Windlass anchor. Massive sun lounge in the center line of the boat. Tons of storage underneath. This locker is lockable, so you can put rods in there without worrying about them getting stolen. Nice size head and access to all your fuses and your battery switch. For more information, please visit us at MarineMax here in Fort Myers, and we'll be happy to show you the boat. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.